Hi friends, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make screen masking effect in Photoshop. At first double click and select this image and hit open. Now go to file and choose place embedded. Here select this magnifying glass PNG format file and choose place. Hold Alt button and increase the PNG layer like this. Now take quick selection tool and select the white part of this layer. Also hit Ctrl J to duplicate the selected part. Now select the main subject layer and hit Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Move this layer to top. Right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Hit Ctrl T for transform. Increase the image size from 100 to 110. Now unlock the bottom layer and select the layer. This time go to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Here increase the blur radius to 15 pixels and press OK. Now select the bottom and top layers by holding shift button. Lock the layers by hit lock icon on top. Then select these two layers by holding shift button. Take move tool. Move these layers and see the final result.